Okay, so tell me something about yourself.
Hi, I'm Reema Asnani and I'm from Mumbai. I was working earlier as a professional in a jewelry store for 18 years and wanted to make a change which would give me a little more freedom to do what I wanted to pursue in a little flexible manner. And that's why I chose makeup.
How,
And yes,
how was your learning experience at BSMH?
it was excellent. I love the atmosphere. I love the way the trainers were always helpful. They were also all the time pushing us to do better, in a nice way, of course. And all the encouragement, all the material was provided to us. So it was a fun experience. It was a learning experience, and you learned how to interact with others. That was also another very good thing, that interacting with others. Training sessions that we had. I mean, once a look was discussed, we had to go in and practice. Those practice sessions were amazing. A total learning curve.
Which is your favorite segment and why?
As I just said earlier, I love the practice sessions because you have a look which you're learning from and all, but when you sit down to practice, you learn so much more from your mistakes, from other people's mistakes. You see, you learn, and there's a lot more input that comes in. So that was my best experience in this institute.
Any special mentions about trainers?
All of them were good. From Keen Alvarez, even Kajal was very good and helpful, very helpful. And of course, with Maya ma'am, what we had in the end was amazing.
Would you recommend aspirants to join BSMH and why?
Yes, because I would definitely recommend this institute because the approach of the people here is so good. They make it so nice to learn. They make learning a fun experience, and that's really nice. That's what you need. And at times, especially when I had to go in for practicing the looks on models, I was kind of very overwhelmed. But they were very considerate and like encouraging, and even Maya, for that matter, was very very encouraging, and told us not to get overwhelmed. That was nice. That feeling is nice when you're young and you're new and you don't know much about things. You need somebody who's there to encourage you and not just teach you and tell you, okay, we're done. So that was the best part.